Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello folks, glad to have you join us for the 152nd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. India alumni launch Bosco Cares multi-speciality health clinic. Alumnus Abhishek Sarkar reports from Kolkata.
Don Bosco Alumni Park Circus Unit launched Bosco Cares, a multi-speciality health clinic on 2nd April 2023. Minister of Finance, Health and Family Welfare, Government of West Bengal, Mrs. Chandrima Bhattacharya, inaugurated the center. Inaugural edition began with 4 departments: cancer, urology, gastroenterology, and orthopedics, run by Don Bosco Park Circus alumni doctors. More departments will be added in the future. The unique proposition of this clinic is its vision of providing not just free specialist doctors, consultation, medicines, and investigative tests, but seeing the needy, less privileged patient all the way through the course of the entire treatment. Also available on first Sunday of the month is Bosco on Wheels, a free food distribution for the underprivileged people who come for free health checkup camp. Just like Bosco Cares, Bosco on Wheels is a globally scalable model for mass outreach to address hunger and to touch lives in the name of Don Bosco. Park Circus Alumni Unit started in 1967 and are pioneers in conducting free school utilizing the same classrooms for the underprivileged children of the neighborhood.
Abhishek Sarkar reporting. Pope Francis declared 2025 as the Jubilee Year. Church Art Kolkata offers a fitting inspiration to the Jubilee Year with its collection of life-size statues, 14 Stations of the Cross, 20 Mysteries of the Holy Rosary, Lives of Saints, and innumerable murals on the life of Jesus and liturgical designs to embellish existing church doors. Also available are 10 panels of St. Francis of Assisi's Canticle of Creation to testify your institution's green commitment. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco past pupil by email churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp, Telegram, country code 919831020945. India 500 joined Youth Pask 2023. Executive Director of Don Bosco Institute, Father P.D. Johnny, reports from Guwahati.
Don Bosco Institute, Guwahati, like in the previous years, organized Youth Pask 2023 from 5th April to 9th April. Over 500 youth from Northeast India participated in the 5-day annual Holy Week celebrations. The program consisted of sessions on various topics like commemoration of Holy Thursday, Good Friday, Easter Vigil, and Easter Sunday. Youth animators from Bangalore, Dimapur, and Guwahati, along with the Jesus Youth members from Assam Don Bosco University, assisted in the program. In a touching ceremony, Holy Thursday, Archbishop John Molachara of Guwahati washed the feet of 12 youth delegates. Good Friday consisted of 4 major events, including Way of the Cross, Sacrament of Reconciliation, Good Friday afternoon service, and the musical dance drama titled He Lives, commemorating the life of Peter the Apostle. For the Way of the Cross, along the streets of Jaipur village, participants of the Youth Pask reenacted the 14 Stations of the Cross, which culminated in crucifixion on a hill overlooking river Brahmaputra. The Easter Vigil service and Easter Sunday Mass were celebrated with much exuberance and youthful jubilation. On Easter Sunday, the participants enjoyed a boat ride across the mighty Brahmaputra river with a sumptuous Easter lunch.
Father P.D. Johnny reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. Australia year-long celebrations mark 100 years of Don Bosco charism. Michael Gartland reports from Melbourne.
The centenary year, 1923 to 2023, of the Salesians in Australia started with the blessing of the Monument to Benefactors on the 24th of January 2023 in the Mother House at Sunbury in Melbourne. It was followed by the ordination of 5 Australia Pacific Salesian priests in Melbourne. During March, an autumn centenary edition of the Salesian Bulletin was published with an overview of the past 100 years of Don Bosco's charism history since the landing of the first batch of Salesians with Bishop Coppo in Kimberley in 1923. On the 30th of March, the actual centenary day, a large number of Salesians gathered at the Provincial House for a Thanksgiving Eucharist. A high point of celebrations is the animation visit by the 10th successor of Don Bosco, Father Engel F. Artime, from the 22nd to 28th of April. The book by Father Francis Maloney entitled Don Bosco in Australia and the Pacific sketches the growth of Salesian charism in Australia, New Zealand, Fiji and Samoa. Other scheduled centenary celebrations include the pilgrimage tour of the relic of Don Bosco in the province, Salesian Education Conference for Principals, Salesian Retreat by Father Chris Ford, and ending with the Salesian Family Day.
Michael Gartland reporting. Vietnam practical trainees hold 3-day training. Brother Hong Phuoc reports from Ho Chi Minh City.
The Vietnam Salesian Formation Department organized a training program for 20 practical trainees from 27th to 30th of March 2023 at the Franciscan Monastery, Ho Chi Minh City. On the first day of training, the provincial economist Father Nicholas Kieu Long Ho discussed the topic life and working experience of the practical training period. The counselor for formation, Father Joseph Đỗ Đức Dũng, spoke on work and temperance in practical training life on the second day. On the third day, Youth Pastoral Counselor Father Peter Quang Minh presented Pastoral Education Plan.
Brother Hong Phuoc reporting. Those are the latest from Salesian News Asia Pacific. This show was brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. Enjoy the rest of your day.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.